I think he's like above.
I don't know.
Okay, that's annoying.
Yeah. Bro, where is this kid?
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. You got him?
Yeah, there we go. You heard that?
That was
Reward.
that was one of the bowls that are in the
No,
thing.
no, reward.
Oh,
Hit it, 6 for headshot. Still have shield.
Brats, is he?
I'm just healing right now.
Oh yeah, I see him. Oh, how'd I miss that?
Oh my god, I just trapped him. 23.
Oh, that doesn't build there.
No.
Friends here? He's cracking
Wait.
shields. Nice.
Bruh.
Oh, raw 8. Oh, here's some more.
Wait, what?
Oh. No, we're good.
No, you're right. East. Trust your senses, Look. Trust your senses.
Actually close?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Over there. At the reboot.
The guy up top, careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna grapple on him. Saw, dude. Oh!
Oh, bro, that look clean.
Boy, was low. Alright, yeah, it's just these guys in here.
Like
Oh,
right
he just
here.
patted out. 30 on 1. Oh, this guy's come up here. Oh, I missed. He's gonna crack me.
Oh, dude, I don't know where I am right now, bro.
Cracked 1.
I'm coming up top. Give me a sec.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill.
No, you got him on pyramid.
One headed down. Got him. Let's go. Oh, we both hit him. GG.
Easy click.
These sweats, man. Gotta stop them.
Someone's gonna do it, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, ironically, we are sweats, but...
I was gonna say, bro, that's one of the things
I
that,
love
like...
that argument. It's so true, though.
Oh, it is. Listen, man, you want to talk... You want the irony. You want the most ironic irony... The most ironically ironic people who are like that are Mitro and Mongrel. Bro, the hands down, arguably,
The sweatiest
some of the
kid,
sweatiest players in the world. And when anyone builds somewhat decent, bro, they're like, this guy's face sway right now, bro. Oh, this is Omni's trying so hard. And it's like, listen, like, are you guys both not, like, screaming at the top of your lungs, sweating your asses off as well? Like, last team's right here.
GG. No, I love it.
It makes, I mean, I love it too, man. It's a competitive spirit. Like, I get it.
Oh my god, the silent scar. Bring it back, dude. I just beamed both into all this shield.
Got him?
Like, it's actually cooked.
Oh, it was so
Let's
clean,
go.
dude. Chug, jiggle, jiggle,
Alright, where's the last guy? Oh! That was nearly bad. Boy's got a lot of rockets, though, eh?
Reset.
You know what? I'm down.
Oh, you're pushing him?
I'm
here.
I don't know. They're going for the middle. 32.
Oh! My god,
Nice.
the beam, dude. Bro, I'm on like 10 feet right now. Oh my god.
Alright, push it. Oh, let's go. Headshot. Oh, he's out of here. 28.
20 pop shield.
Alright, time to crack him.
I'm right here.
Go for it, go for it, go for it, go for it, go for it.
Wait, what? Whoa!
Oh, no! How is he not... Oh, wow! Random hip fire, let's go. GG. Epic Games Fortnite Battle Royale.
Like, where is he? Like, just come out and fight me like a man. Or woman. You don't have any mats. Fucking block sucks. Okay. probably that image. Oh my god. Fortnite gaming boy. It's okay, I understand.
Gotta even loot that llama. Bro, I'm gonna freak the fuck out. I'm starting to get actually like pissed off. I'm gonna use my fucking anger to laser this guy. Come here, buddy. You know you want to get lasered. Right next to him, but you know, can't hit him. You gotta fight, yo. We're good, yo. Look at this. This guy is the fucking greatest looter that ever lived. There is no comparison, dude. This guy is the best. He's the GOAT.
Damn. Sniping everybody in their mamas, I see. Golly. Oh, I heard fighting. Are you just like murking people left and right with just a sniper?
Him jump.
I'm building up to him too. Go
There
ahead.
we go. Tell my son I love him.
Alright.
Stop. I sure did there, bud. How about that bone cap? Hey, baby. Nice combo there, Jack. Appreciate it.
Got you, boy.
Small.
Oh wow.
I guess those flashes are only for Tim, huh?
Or just, well, come here. I'm just ready.
Are there any minis anywhere before we do this? And it was his trap. You gotta be effing, bro. You think you guys think you're funny, right? Okay. Why do I play with you?
Got you.
Got him! Oh, yeah, help me get him.
I don't want your guns. I need you to help me dance. This really should not be that difficult.
If we don't get it
This
this time,
kid's
it's
gonna
on
come
me.
kill me.
That's the 2 kids. I'll just go straight to it this game. Oh no, that's McDog. It's McDog.
Oh,
It's
McDog, let's go, dude.
McDog! Help! Quick! He's trying. There he is.
Get out, get out, get out, get out. What a legend!
The man, the myth, the legend, McDog. Good boy. Can we get some good boys in chat, please?
Good boy.
Such a good boy. Good job, McDog.
Oh, GG on me. How does this guy in my box?
Got him.
Try to finish.
Got him.
Nice. Good shit.
Got both.
Don't go in that stink, bro.
Fuck. Yeah, fuck, man. Sway's carrying me. On me. Oh, good shit, Sway. I fucking dogged. You need to back out. 8.
Well, he's gonna clap everyone in the server real quick.
Good shit, Sway. It's all you.
Woo!
Easy fighter, baby!
You guys
Yo,
got
let's go,
really
Sway.
good ping. Just get in, dude. I think this guy has good ping. I don't think he can take his wall.
Sit in over me. Fuck you.
You have a launch?
Yeah.
Land on that other launch, maybe? Pop some maze and land on the other launch? Ugh.
He's letting you. You can laser that. Nice for.
My
Oh,
fucking god.
yo, 5 minutes. One guy's right on you. Literally on you.
Just literally WQ this guy.
What the?
W key, Swites, 1v2, you got this shit. Guy above you.
Dude, you're useless, right? BGM, dude. Oh, rip. Yo, you're fucked. Alright, back up fast. Good shit. Yo, that was actually a fucking big kill game.
Yeah, we had 3 kills.
No. What? We got hella placement. We had like 64 points before this one.